How to make it. Rolling machine. Materials. Tube. Gearbox motor. Battery holder. AA batteries. 2. Foam block. Metal stick. Double-sided foam tape. 2. Step 1. Connect the stick to the motor. Take out the motor and the metal stick. This is the short end. This is the long end. Connect the short end into the hole here. Make sure it's connected tightly. You can use the table to push it in. Step 2. Connect the wires. Connect the red wire to the red wire. Connect the black wire to the black wire. Step 3. Tape the parts together. Put double-sided tape on the gearbox motor. Put double-sided tape on the foam block. Tape the motor to one side of the battery holder. Tape the foam block to the side with the switch. Make sure the battery holder is between the foam and the motor. Step 4. Put in the batteries. Make sure the switch is turned off. Match the negative ends of the batteries to the negative ends inside the battery holder. Step 5. Put the parts inside the tube. Place the wires inside first. Squeeze the foam and put it in. Step 6. Decorate your rolling machine. Draw and cut out a circle. Tape on the circle. Color or wrap the tube in different shapes or patterns. Try it. Use a pencil to switch it on. Watch it roll.